COVID-19 spreads mainly in two ways: direct close contact. One can get the infection by being in close contact with COVID-19 patients, especially if they do not cover their face when coughing or sneezing. Indirect contact. The droplets survive on surfaces and clothes for many days. Therefore, touching any such infected surface or cloth and then touching one's mouth, nose or eyes can transmit the disease. To portray how contagious the virus is, we consider a common scenario of a hospital. We can see how rapidly the virus spreads from one point to another by an infected person, and how easily and rapidly multiple people can get affected by it. As per a report published by the World Health Organization, nearly 5,108,869 people have been infected from SARS-CoV-2. Many of these could be prevented for as little as $1 per head. UV blaster can deactivate bacteria and virus that come in contact with its high-power UVC light rays. The UVC range covers wavelength between 200 nanometers to 280 nanometers, is capable of eliminating viruses, bacteria, mold and spores. New Age Instruments and Materials Private Limited has developed UV blaster in association with DRDO, and now its production is in full flow at New Age Instruments and Materials Private Limited, where we are working on various new versions of UV blaster to suit different operating conditions and requirements.
This device useful for high-tech surfaces like electronic equipment, computers and other gadgets in laboratories and offices that are not suitable for disinfection with chemical methods. The product is also effective for areas with large flow of people such as restaurants, hotels, classrooms, offices, airports, shopping malls, reception area, ambulance, medical, warehouses and much more. The device can be operated from a safe distance of up to 100 meters from any Windows or Android device.
This device is easy to operate. Connect your device and set operation time, then click Start. The system comes with 360-degree motion detection sensors to protect any intruder from harmful exposure to UV light. In case any motion is detected within the sanitization range of the system shut down within seconds, as a precautionary measure, and notifies the user on the device of an intruder alert. UV Blaster allows admin to pull a detailed report of the previous disinfection cycles, to help doing disinfection or cleaning, audit of the premises,